Last day of school. Nandito kami sa Mappy Building and magpo-perform sa awarding ng certificate nila. So, this is the last day of school. Wala na kami pasok pagkatapos. Magpa-practice na lang kami sa graduation. Then, May 17, 2024.
Ay, lalabas na yung results. Lalabas na yung results namin mamaya sa PS.
I-update ko kayo, guys.
Iya, bakit pala?
Ganda mo?
Hernandez Diego Stephen S. Jazera Redmark D. Lagan Arnel Cantor.
So, we are here. Oh my God. I'm so excited to graduate and sana makagraduate ako. We're here in the 4th floor. Oh my God. Ang ganda mag-TikTok dito. Yeah, so all of good, all of delicious. Diba? So we are close to graduating and I'm so excited. I am so excited! Ah! Gusto ko na magtrabaho, gusto ko na mag-college, gusto ko na everything. I want to have a job and a money so I can buy whatever I want. Uy ka na, Irene? Irene, uy ka na? So yeah, nag-aano pa rin sila, nag-awarding and I'm here. Sinasamahan ko si Rai magdihes. I mean, binibantayan ko siya. So yeah, no problem. It is not the right lighting. Oh my gosh, I love it.
All those years,
Judger.
Magandang hapon sa inyo. Good evening everyone. My name is President Rivera from ABL Club 1. Today, I'm going to share my scientific experience. Difficult for us to get the ingredients and other activities. As well as the wind and the sun. That's all. Thank you very much, Melissa. From back to
Hi everyone, so tapos na yung ang ganda pala ng ano dito. Parking lot pala dito ate.
Oh, toke. Nagsisi ako na hindi ko ito binili. Ay, hindi ko siya binili. What the fuck? Kasi ang laki niya masyado. Oh my gosh, nagsisi ako. But, yeah, I don't know. Oh my god! Ang ganda, wait. Oh, maganda siya kasi maliit lang dito, oh. So, ang laki kasi pagalitan ako ni Papa pag mga itong dami.
So nasa ukay-ukayan. Ala. Oh, good. Oh, flex mo yung ano. Yung ay nako. Tara na nga. So the school is done and so bright, and I'm in my bed, and yeah, I'm going to graduate soon. Bye bye.